Sir, in the last video we covered what is a string, how you can represent a string by using single quotes, double quotes. There is a special story we covered about triple quote symbols, right? Clear up to that. Next, index. Okay, index. Sir, there is one speciality is there in Python, index. Very important point, sir. Listen carefully, which is not applicable for C or C++ or Java. Here there is one speciality is there. Sir, I am taking S is equal to Durga. This is my string. How you can access characters of the string? I want to access first character, second character, third character, like how you can? Okay, very simple, sir. Okay, assume that DURGA is there, Durga. Now, do you know we can access characters of the string by using index? Do you know, right? Index. Sir, what is the first? Do you know what is the first character index? 0, sir. Erase and the string, everything is always 0 based index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, right? Now, I am trying to take print of S of 0. What is the answer? Respond, man. What is the answer we are going to get? S of 0. Which character locating at 0 index? Okay? D itself is the character locating at 0 index. Similarly, print of S of 3 I am taking, sir. Print of S of 3. Can you spell out which character is locating, sir? G itself is locating. Regarding G itself, at the third index, which character is there? G is there, sir. Okay, now print of S of 100 I am taking. Regarding S of 100 I am taking. For this S, what is the valid index? 0 to 4. 0 to 4 only. But 100 index is not there. Immediately, Python virtual machine will get left and right. Index error, string index out of range, like we are going to get index error. Regarding what is the error we are going to get, sir? Index error, like we are going to get. Okay, let me cross check, sir. Have a look once. Sir, I am taking very simple terminology. S is equal to Durga, like this, right? Now print S of 0. Next, print S of 3 I am taking, sir. S of 3, like this I am taking. Now let me execute this code. Are you in the position? S of 0 means D, S of 3 means G, sir. Okay, let me cross check. D followed by G we are getting. Sir, now I want to ask S of 100. S of 100. Sir, 100 index is not available. Immediately we are going to get error. What is that error, sir? Have a look once. Sir, index error, string index out of range. Index error, string index out of range we are going to get. Okay, perfect, sir. Now, take very special care now. Observe carefully. Up to this we know the people who are coming from Java, C++, like everyone can aware up to this. Now the next discussion is the most valuable, sir. Have a look once. Sir, print of S of minus 1 I am taking. S of minus 1 I am taking. Please confirm. What answer we are going to get? S of minus 1 I am taking. What is the answer? Respond. Sir, where is the question of minus 1 index? Immediately we are going to get what? Index error, string index out of range, like we are going to get index error, right? No. That is the specialty of Python. Python provides support for both the positive index and negative index. Remember this one, sir. Positive index and negative index both are supported by Python, sir. Positive index means, okay, forward direction 0, starts with 0. Negative index means backward direction starts with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This is the backward direction. Are you getting right to left? So Python provide support for both the positive index and negative index, no problem at all, itself is acceptable. Okay, like sir, now s of minus 1 means what is the answer? At minus 1 index, which character is there? A character is there. That's why you are going to get simply A, sir. Is it clear for all of you, right? Now I have one important question. Python provide support for both positive index and negative index, yes or no? Yes. Okay, but other languages can provide support only for positive index. Sir, next positive index starts with 0, from left to right go on. Negative index starts with minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, from right to left. Clear for all of you, right? Let me cross check, sir. Now s of, here let me go for s of minus 1 I'm taking. S of minus 1. So last character, which is the last character, sir? Okay, A itself is the last character, right? Yes, perfect. A itself is the last character. Now s of minus 5. S of minus 5 means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 means D, sir. D. Okay, like A, D. Sir, s of minus 6, sorry, minus 1 to minus 5 only valid index, minus 6 is not available. Immediately we are going to get what? Index error, string index out of range. Okay, so this is about the index story. Python provides support for both the positive index and negative index. Positive index means from left to right, negative index means right to left. Positive index starts from 0, negative index starts from what? Minus 1. Okay, if you are trying to access string character of the string by using out of range index, then immediately we are going to get index error. Any doubt about this index? Clear for all of you, right?